Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I decided to do an updated video on our food pantry that we made downstairs because there was a bunch of stuff added to it real recently. Actually, whoops, that was my power chair. I accidentally bumped the controller. Sorry if you heard that. Hopefully you can hear me over the vents. So the canned goods up here, these were all here, except for the tuna is new and the 2 boxes of raisins. I recently added the 2 boxes of Tostios. The Chex Mix is new, 2 things of orange juice. Some scalloped potatoes are new. We had 6 containers of salt at one point. And there's 2 gravy mixes. The salad dressings are still here. And these are cans of beets and then some tomatoes. And this is all new here. We have 4 loaves of bread, 2 different kinds, a box of pancake mix, which is very good brand actually, a bag of apples, and some cake mixes. So it was getting down quite low before. Also, we still have the baby food warmer and the 1 cup coffee pot available. I am going to be moving them down just to see if they will go once they're further down on the shelving. But we were getting down to quite a little bit of food that was left, and we have a lot of people that are in need of food. So the manager's husband, I believe, brought this from somebody that he knows that was getting rid of some stuff. So we got all of this. The bread is super fresh still, as everything else is, but bread is awesome, especially for the people that have kids, so they can at least make some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So yeah, that's what our shelf looks like right now, and it definitely looks better than it did a few days ago. So alright everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm if you're in a cold state, and vice versa if you're in a hot state. God bless you to overflowing, and may He always keep you safe. Bye for now.